watch that too. Hey, I ache for you, but I put you last. I yearn for you, but I let the hours pass. I felt you so fast, and I know I'm gonna crash. Gosh, it's gonna be so bad. It's gonna be so bad. I've been through this tough time before. You leave me on a cliff, babe. You leave me wanting more. I let you grab my heart out my chest and smash it on the floor. Surely, I really dig your vibe. We should get together, let's converse. Let me pick your mind. I just wanna find out what inspires you, cause I admire you. The galaxies, the Milky Ways are right inside of you. I see light in you. Yes, you've met your match. Won't let myself get attached, but if I miss your call, you know I'm gonna hit you right back. People only get that privilege if I lay them like that. Don't really text people back, I've never been good at that. Yeah, ooh. That's XO, y'all.
We're live at the 30th anniversary of the International Festival of Life. I'm here with my daughter, Ifeanyi Elswith, who just performed on stage. How are you doing today?
Good. How are you?
Good, good. So tell me how you get started. Who inspired you to start singing?
I'll say God, because I've been singing since I was born. So.
That's that. Okay. How many videos you have? How many songs you have out now? How many CDs?
I have one album out, and then I have 4 or 5 singles outside of that.
And they're all R&B, hip hop?
Yes, they're all R&B, hip hop.
Are you trying to do any reggae?
Yes. So my song XO has a reggae influence. I have a cover of Summer Walker that's reggae influence. So I eventually do want to cross over and make like pure reggae dancehall songs as well as R&B and hip hop.
Are you working on any new songs right now?
Yes, I have a song that should be coming out at the end of July or August, and then I'll be dropping for a couple months after that too.
You have any? What's the next big project as far as performance?
Performing? Well, I'll be performing at the California Clipper this Thursday at 8:30.
Check that out. You moving up in this world.
Yeah.
You on your musical journey.
Yes.